this video, I try to showcase 5-year CO2 inspection and maintenance. This video is only for educational purpose. Hello friends. In this video, we will see CO2 system 5-year inspection and service. So let's start. First of all, the relay system and distribution valves to be secured. For that, we want to remove the pilot CO2 for main cylinder and the main valve. Now the system is completely isolated and there is no chance of an accidental discharge of CO2. Now we are going to check the content inside main cylinder using a liquid level indicator. For that, just press the sensor against the body of the CO2 bottle so that the level will be displayed on the device. The arrow mark shows at the center of the display, which shows the liquid level, and above the arrow mark, which shows the gaseous level inside the bottle. Then we are going to check content inside pilot cylinder. For that, we need to open the CO2 release cabinet. When we are opening the CO2 release cabinet, engine room blowways, main engine blower, boiler, purifier room blowways, etc. will get tripped and an alarm will be sounded. Now we have opened the control cabinet and we are going to take out the pilot cylinder. Just remove the connections and open the clamp so that you can take out the pilot CO2 bottle. Now we need to weight the bottle and we can make sure the content inside the bottle is sufficient. Now coming to the main valve inspection. First of all, we need to check the alarm system. When the valve is open, an alarm should get triggered. So we are opening the valve manually to check whether the alarm system is working properly. It is just a limit switch, and when you are opening the valve, it gives an alarm. So now we try out the alarm and we found it satisfactory. Now for the inspection, we need to take out the valve. For that, we already remove all the nuts and bolts. Now we can take out the valve and we can go through a thorough inspection of valve and valve seat. Check the condition of the seal ring, and if required, you can change the seal ring. Now we will check the car hole distribution valves. So individually open all the valves to check the valve movement. Open an inspection nut which is provided at the end of the valve, and through that you can see the valve movement visually. And finally, check all the hoses for pilot CO2 and main CO2 and check whether the hoses are good condition, and check the tightness of the hoses also. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching our videos, and please do subscribe for more videos.